PayPal versus Square versus Stripe, which is the best payment processor for your business? I'm gonna be answering this question in this video, so make sure to watch this video till the very end. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the first application. Firstly, we have PayPal. Now guys, PayPal, as you all know, is being used by some of the biggest businesses and by almost all the freelancers and almost every single person, whether that be a housewife or whether that be a business. Everybody is using it. There is over $45 billion in help available for renters over here on PayPal. And also, like, over here scrolling down, we can even see, like, some of their features. They offer features like, buy now and pay later. So basically, they buy on your behalf from the store that you want to buy from, and then you have to pay installments to PayPal. So like, that is a really nice feature for anybody who doesn't have big chunks of cash available but can pay in smaller chunks. Well, PayPal can facilitate you. After that, we even have the sign up for PayPal and start checking out with crypto. Guys, this is an amazing feature. Why, you ask? Well, because the world of crypto is right now, and people are honestly using crypto for all sorts of things, and you can also use crypto for those things. And honestly, the only thing that is stopping you is your merchant or your payment processor. Now scrolling down, we can even see that you can express yourself with animations when you send money. So like, these are some perks and features that PayPal offers, which really make it very user friendly. And after that, you can even get instant spend notifications. Whether shopping at your usual store or somewhere new, they help keep checkout fast and your eligible purchase protected. So like, all in all, definitely a great thing. So over here, we can even see that they have millions of brands like Hulu, Spotify Premium, Grubhub, Pottery Barn, Group Barn, like all these big brands. So over here below, we can see, like, all the users that they have. So they have over 375 million users, and they are increasing by the numbers every single second. Now after that, from over here, what you can do now is that simply click on sign up for free, and then simply sign up for absolutely free over here by simply choosing what account do you want to use. I'm going to choose a personal account, and then similarly moving on from over here, choose a country, and then after that simply move on from there. So I'm gonna choose Philippines, or like some other country, like basically specifying where you live. And then after that, click on get started. Then they're gonna ask you for your number, so like sign up quickly. And then once you sign up, I'm gonna catch you guys in just a second. So once you sign up, you will have like all those options. But before you do that, firstly take a look over here, like how do you want to sign up. Like for your personal use, you have these options. Now if these options suffice you, like if they are enough, well then you are good. But if you're a business, well then you will obviously need more options, like making payments, accepting payments, and so many more options. So like, definitely be considerate of that, and also take a look at their pricing too. So like, I'm gonna open up their pricing now, and then over here you can basically see their pricing. So like, they basically charge 2.9% plus a fixed fee of 30%. So like, almost 3% of whatever transaction that you do. So like, that is something to be considerate of. So like, that is basically the overview of PayPal, and I hope that this answered all your queries and all your questions. So now we're gonna move on to the second platform that we have for you in this video, which is Square. So Square is basically a new payment processor that has recently gained a lot of traction and is at par with Stripe and with PayPal. Now Square has gained a lot of traction because Square has been giving like amazing banking services, and Square is very fast with its transactions and everything. Now from over here, if you're a business, you can like literally set up Square within a few seconds, and then after that you can sell retail products, accept appointment bookings, take restaurant orders, and so much more. You can literally connect your restaurant from kitchen to community, and you can get paid fast from anywhere. Now all these features are honestly enough to make it stand out, but then again, after that, they even have a sales department which can definitely add more value to your team. Now over here up top, we have the product. So like, they basically give you a website builder as well. They also give you like banking options, which we are here for. But after that, they even have customer management, staff management. We even have a developer panel as well. So like, definitely a great platform. So like, I'm gonna click on banking, and then after that I'm gonna like open up a couple of these tabs. So like, honestly, all of these features are available over here, and all these features are very essential for any business. And like, PayPal also has these features. So like, definitely at the end, the only thing differentiating both of these two is the pricing. If you find the prices of PayPal to be like too high at 3%, you can like choose basically Square, but definitely the potential is there. Now after that, you can basically from over here see all your payments, banking, and cash flow working as one. So like scrolling down, you can sell, save, spend, and borrow as fast as you need to, and your payments, business banking accounts, and cash flow sync together seamlessly. When you take payments and bank through Square, everything is connected, and you can basically watch your sales flow directly into Square Banking. So accessing or moving your money is fast, easy, and can even be automated. And after that, they even give you $0 overdraft fees, $0 opening deposit, and $0 minimum deposit. So like definitely a great bet, and honestly you won't regret it. So after that, over here you can see that you can even get a loan for your business too. So like you can get a loan from like $300 to upwards of up to $250,000 for your business, guys. That is enough money for you guys to like start a company like Apple, if you ask me, if you have the idea. Now scrolling down, they have their whole procedure over here. So definitely it is very easy, nothing too complicated. If you have the business plan, honestly this is not gonna be boring at all. And also you don't need to fill out any long forms, you can pay it back automatically. And then after that, like they have funded over $9 billion, and they have over 460 small businesses funded. So like definitely excellent statistics. So like definitely a great website. And now we're gonna move on to the last platform we have for you, which is Stripe. So guys, till now you must understand how PayPal and how Square function, but now I'm gonna show you how Stripe functions. Now guys, Stripe in my opinion is the best solution out of both of those two, because PayPal is not available in some countries, Square isn't the best, but Stripe is the best, and it is available in almost all the countries. Now they have big brands like Instacart, Amazon, Slack, Shopify, Google, Lyft, and like even Zoom as well. And they also give you a fully integrated suite of payment products. They give you cards, manual checking out options, websites, and like even applications, and also slides and everything else, plus a very powerful API. After that, you can even see some more of their features stated over here, and they are the backbone of internet business according to them, because they have over 250 million API requests per day, peaking at 13,000 requests per second. 90% of US adults have bought from businesses using Stripe, and they support over 135 currencies and payment methods, and they have over 35 countries with local acquiring optimizing acceptance rates. So like definitely a great platform if you ask me. Now all that you need to do to like get started using this particular application for your small business is click on start now, and then after that wait for a couple of seconds and then register for absolutely free. Now once you register, you will be up and running within a few minutes, and that is basically all that you need to do. So like there you go guys, this was a detailed comparison between Stripe, Square, and PayPal. And honestly, in short, if I were to tell you, like what software should you go for if you're a big business, and by big business I mean like if you have more than 500 employees per company, well then PayPal and Stripe are the best options for you. But if you are a small business, well then Stripe, Square, and PayPal as well, but like PayPal's fees are a bit high, so like I would recommend Stripe or Square for that matter. But then again, it's all up to you, it's all up to personal preference and what your clients are comfortable with. So like this was the comparison, and if this comparison helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and till next time, goodbye.